Hi there, this is Vani from CoAlias. In this video, I'll explain how you can connect multiple domains to your no-code app. For this example, we will use Bubble, but you can of course also use Weweb, Flutterflow, or any of the other no-code apps. Let's get started. So when you have a no-code app, for example, we use a Bubble app. What you normally do is that you connect a domain to that app. So that for this example, we'll call that primarydomain.com, but of course that can be any domain, myai.com or .ko.br or whatever domain you would like to connect. And the connection happens when you change your DNS records. So Bubble gives you 4 IP addresses. You change that in your DNS, and after that, when you go to primarydomain.com, your Bubble app loads, and that's awesome, of course. But you might have the use case where you need to add more domains. You might want to add a domain like mycustomer.primarydomain.com, or directly add customer domains like mycustomerdomain.com, and Bubble doesn't offer a way to do that, and most no-code app builders don't offer that. So you need something to connect these domains to your app, especially if you want to connect them to a specific page or a specific database entry. You'll need something like CoAlias, and that's what CoAlias helps you do. So what we do is that we sit between your primary domain of your no-code app and the domains you want to add. And instead of pointing those domains directly to your Bubble app, you point them to CoAlias. So you change the DNS records, and when then someone visits mycustomer.primarydomain.com, CoAlias fetches the right page and data from your no-code app and serves that to the customers. This is sometimes called URL masking or URL forwarding, but the customer won't see your primary domain, but will see the custom domains or the customer domains or the dynamic subdomains that you have added. Another thing that you can do with CoAlias is if you want to automatically add new domains, you can call the CoAlias API. The API has been designed in a way that you can, if you're using Bubble, we have a plugin, but if you're using another no-code app, you can just call the API. And if you call the API, for example, the add domain, what CoAlias will do, it will add that domain to your account, and when you or your customer change the DNS records, they will be able to use that domain to access your primary domains app again. And that way you can dynamically add domains, onboard new customers, or onboard anyone you like. And that's actually how CoAlias works. So visitors type in their customer domain, CoAlias in the background fetches the pages and the data and shows them to your visitors or users. And you can also use the API to add more domains or remove domains automatically. And this is an awesome way, of course, to build a SaaS or to create a global presence in multiple countries. I hope this video helps you understand how CoAlias works, and there will be more videos on how you can personalize videos and how you can also integrate the API into your app. Thank you for watching.